Hey guys, it's Trucker9096 here, and today we have the Eastern Night Prowler BMX bike, obviously. And to start off, here's Eastern seat post, and Night Prowler frame, and Eastern forks, and bird pegs right here. And another bird peg in the back, and burnout tire in the back, and animal Edwin grips, blue, obviously. Eastern bars, and the headset and stem, and Tektro brake lever, it's pretty good, and Eastern brake cable. And the front, that's an Eastern factory tire, I believe. And stock pedals. They glow in the dark, actually. It's like a yellowish green color. And then Eastern chain, silver. And then Eastern sprocket. And stock cranks, and yeah, and that's my bike check.